and this is my home. It's kind of wet. Now, you need to remember 5 words to survive. It's cold. Okay? Guys, you will not believe what I just found.
What the? Oh my god! Greg! Greg! Greg.
Okay, guys, when it's cold like this, you need to know where you are. But my house is just over there if you take a look. It's just right there. Because my mom doesn't allow me in the house. She says I break too much stuff, so I'm not allowed in the house, but I like to climb trees. So here we go. This is hard work. It may take a while. I did it! I did it! This is gonna be my car when I'm older, guys. Sorry, I had to come out. I'm sorry. Sorry. Pretty sturdy. I just thought you guys were gonna know, so yeah. I'm gonna try and get in this, okay? I really have to go to the bathroom. Ah! How convenient. Oh God! This is a disgrace. I swear. I'm going to adventure out into my other part of the world. Goes all the way to the other side of the hills. I can open this, guys. No problem.
Greg, I don't understand why you think this is so bad.
I'm telling you, man, it's terrible. It's terrible.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
The following image are too terrible. Bye.